In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to transfer Mint Mobile service to a new phone. So the first step is to download and install the Mint Mobile app onto your new phone and log into your account. Then you just have to simply select account in the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and select change device, then choose get an eSIM. Confirm you're on your phone by tapping this is my new device, and on the purchase summary screen, tap checkout. When the service interruption warning appears, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and select I'm connected to Wi-Fi. You'll be asked to enter the SMS code that was sent to your phone, type it in and tap continue. Once the replacement eSIM is processed and marked successful, tap continue to install your new eSIM. Select install eSIM and follow the remaining on-screen instructions. Enjoy your Mint service on your new phone. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.